Me didn't even know the man in a real life. You see me? We did have some things where they were true.
Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself and my people. You don't know, so the attacking boss is here, the one and only NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. Some people, you don't know, say, Niah-Gang, we're there on the story same way, my people. Because you don't know, so from the start, we have covered the story, my people. And we're not going to leave a story just like that, my people. You know what I mean? Because during the whole thing, we saw what went down with Niah-Gang. Right pan him TikTok live. In our match, him get cut down, my people. You know what I mean? And lot of eyes, lot of talk, depend different settings towards the whole incident, my people. So, for a lot of people, them a pray say the youth who him did depend the match with. You understand? So that youth there who did I get them look a talk, them look at this, and then while giving those speech, what just occurred there, some people, what it was just unbelievable. You get me? At the time, while them did it, you know what I mean? So a lot of people are say, yo, this youth here, him responsible for what went down with Niah. Him know what go on. He was the mastermind or whatever. A lot of people have that talk. You understand? But for smarter people who think wiser, them not go think that way, them people. Zine, alright. As me show now, pre this, Zine. Remember, you know, Niah-Gang situation, my people, it's not a normal thing. You know what I mean? Based on feuds and feuds, as we telling you before. So what I want to do, me have a video with this bridging and all my people who was on the live, the match with Niah-Gang at the time when them cut him down, my people. And him a clear up him name to make you know, say, yo, him not have nothing to do with this. You understand? For the sad thing and for how them take out Niah-Gang right upon the match. Him say, him not have nothing to do with it, my people. So, I go drop the video with him, my people. Then me forward and give my take towards the story, my people. So, listen him.
Yo, I can't believe say after we did it and play a match and we did it enjoy ourselves and we a chat about the foolishness then. Like, this really happened. You see me? This would have been like a second match a man ever accept for me. You see me? We didn't even know the man in a real life. You see me? We did have some things where they were true. You see me? We had to have some things where and they were true. Me not know this man for now. Me just see him on TikTok and we became friends. You see me? And if you know said that really happened while me dep on the man life. Or even that happened to the man none at all. Me sit down there, me I think it's a prank. Cause me zone out. You see me? God.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, as I hear what this virgin say, him not have nothing to do with it, my people. And me I go be truthful and realistic to you all, my viewers and subscribers out there. Me not pray him. Me are telling you the truth, my people. Me not pray him. Him dey on the last part of the radar for pray. Him dey on the last part of the radar for pray. You see me? Figure it out now, man. Me say, me not pray him. You see me? Alright. My viewers and subscribers, me tell you this, me done explain it to in our previous videos. Say, look here. Them put a hit on Niah head. You see me? Him get warning, him get the threats already, my people. And the police, them just need to do a deep investigation into this. Them no need, you know, take the whole heap of maths, you know, to find the perpetrators them behind this. And a simple maths, you know, my people. But me can't do it for them, you know. Them have them work for do, you know. And the media for help them solve this, you know. TikTok themselves, you know, for help them solve this, you know. Me not have to go into the details, you know, my people. But people not fool, you know. You see me? Niah-Gang was warned, my people. You see me? You see, that's something there. Lot of people take it different. He was warned. You see me? He was warned. In him head, if you notice and watch back in video them, the people, as me telling you before, Niah is a youth where it's like him not take it serious. Him just have a game on TikTok, him not take it serious. But if you pray the other youth them serious, looking at them eye, looking at them face, you can see evil through them. Figure it out, no man. No joke, my people. Alright. Why me I gotta tell you? You see this youth here? Him not nothing to do with it, my people. This is how it work. Remember, you know, criminals, when them are work, my people, them study methods and ways. Them are think smart, you know. You see me? Them are study means and ways to make things not pinpoint them. I think I know them want to do Niah-Gang this. You feel see today, or the day when this happened, them want to do him this. This depend him couple weeks. Well now, if you can read things and look into things. This wasn't just planned one day, you know. But them just want to wait for right time for buck him. So look at Aguana, man. It's people that run him, you know. Basically responsible for this, you know. Who carry out the action, you know. And nobody far, you know, come in at them place and carry out this, you know. But a money running, you know, as me a showing you know, my people. Watch back the previous video where me do on it. You see me? A logics me a showing you know. A money running, you know. And a people who they run him, you know. Do this, you know. Alright, here we go on now. Watch back video with that youth and Niah-Gang. He make you know, so look ya. A whole heap of people want to do him things based on, you know what I mean, threats so him get pan the attack and them something there. But him always there, him yard, him not go nowhere. Pray this the man. So in him yard, my people, for come in him yard, you know. You think see a boy I got left from around sitting there, Spain town. Or left from around Kingston. Or left from around so coming at All Harbor, coming at Naga yard, another a place there. Go through them the zinc fence and them the crease there. As me show no say, Niah-Gang, you have arguments with other people in a place, you see me? But you're not pre logics, my people. And the clock cause all of this, you know. The clock up, you know. You see me? Figure it out, no man. People, watch how I go on. Zine? Alright. When I say them wait for the right time to carry out this, them a watch Niah-Gang live. Them see with the nerd me call it, them see when they look a nerd, you know. A nerd me call it, you know, because I'm fool, you know. You see me? Even though I'm not responsible for it, I'm fool because them type of joke thing there, no work, yo. We living at some different time, you know. Even though I match your play and them joke thing there, because that's how criminal work, you put yourself in a situation now where you get payments. You understand? Because people have to pray, you know, youth. Me know I know you know. But you have to get payments, G. You have to get payments. Pray what go on, my people. Them watch him, you know. Niah, them a watch him, you see, pray? And them a look upon him, you know. You see me? And them watch, look how much what go on with the look punk, you know. So you say, oh, the food done run already. Them say, oh, at the right time now, because you know, so when this happen now, payments now go up on we, yeah, so. You understand? So we catch a look fool pan here now, so come and do it now. Because no eyes now go the pan we now, you know. I show no what go on. And as so comes them, just comes a boom and deal with it right there so at the time, you know. Because remember people, them never did a match 1 look second or 3 seconds. We see this piece of the match. You know what I mean? The piece went viral. We see them few seconds, few minutes there in the match. But they were there for, you know what I mean? A look time I go and do them look thing. And them figure out where the conversation are later. So by that, them don't have them strap ready, you know. You understand? Them ready, you know, my people. And that is how them carry out them thing. People know said them are go for Niah. Them know. You see me? That's why I tell us you can't trust nobody. You can't trust no one, bro. You see me? You can't trust nobody. But Niah trust. You see me? Him have people and foot to him things say are real people around him. And them not real. Because them done in them head, you know. Maybe them a face and I make a bag of food and him not run no food pan them that now here. And a man may forward and propose 200 or 300k to them. To them that's like a 50 million to them, you know, because them not use the money. And them not pray naga the days when we laugh and we are cook together and a drink together. You understand? And I live life. Maybe they must say, yo, boy, the boy change up since things start going certain way and them are not the same person like before, you know. Yo, you give me that food, they are simple maths, man. You see it? I just the right time we are going to deal with it, man. You don't know, sir, because we don't want to do it when eyes dep on uno too, you know. Figure it out, no, man. You understand? We don't want to do it that time there, you know. So, you know, we are going to do it now. Yeah, we are going to do it now. We just going to wait till the right time. Because, you know, some more upon him live and them thing. They always attack some certain things, you know. So, you are going to wait till a moment. And that is the moment. It have to take somebody close to him to do it. I think, say, could I take somebody far? Pray me I show no people. You see me? But as me say people, my viewers and subscribers, cause you don't know, so we share the footage, you know, with them did a match with the little nerd, you know. You see me? As me showing a nerd, me call him because he's a fool. You see me? We done showcase that, so that's why me have to make you know upon my side, yeah, so. You see me? Me not pray him. Me don't go pray say a stupid movie make with them type of game the way I play and the match thing there and that type of, cause you know what I mean? Especially if you know say Niah-Gang thing kinda heated. Cause film thing heated, you know, my people. In a film head maybe him not pre say yo film thing heated, but for certain people, if you watch back things as me showing to figure it out, them take things different. You see me? But just sees it's a sad situation, man. You see me? Sad situation. The youth make himself a name, you know, Niah-Gang. You know what I mean? Thousands of views and thing. And I see him say Niah music. So maybe my pray if you come get boss big out in the music thing too. You see me? I never really see no big top song with him or nothing, but I know say I do look at music too. Based on information, you see me? So you never know. Maybe him have a different plan, a different mindset. You never know, my people, but only just sees and he knows, man. You say man drop out left a 4-year-old daughter and thing. I miss a couple of videos with them and him daughter, them a play a game and them something the same way, you see me? But you don't know it, my people. That's how we're living right now, yo. We can't trust nobody at the main talk, at the main focus, yo. Not trust nobody, yo. If you check it out, people, you're working at a company, or your own boss, your manager, bad mind you, when them say things are elevate for you. So you have to trust people. You can't trust nobody, bro. I just some devious time we're living right now. You see it? Some devious time, bro. It's a sad situation, man, but R.I.P. Niah-Gang. You see me, and my condolences to him family and the real ones them around him, you know. Not the fake one them, because uno attack for all of uno fake one. Uno who sell out to no bridging, attack for uno. Uno who murder on one friend, attack for uno. Straight attack. And left him look a 4-year-old daughter. Straight attack for uno. Because uno know himself, you know. And whoever placed the hit on the youth head, the foolishness uno keep up, because I me that thing. Uno could have deal with the thing different, but uno take things on a different level. You see me? But you don't know a thing of my people. Big up on yourself, man, and more love, more respect, and more blessings. And I thank you for the love and for the support, the like, the share, you see me? And every comment on the thing. And just do the right thing, my people, and just stay safe and stay blessed. You see it? A one team always, and a one dream, and a one scheme, and we never change and we never sell out, my people. And remember to please like the video. It is important when I like and subscribe and follow me over IG, my people. You see me, NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. If you want to give a contribution to the work we are putting, my people, check below. We have a PayPal link and link up the super chat and them thing there. You know what I mean? Support the movement in any ways and you can, my people. You see me? Because when you help me, we help thousands. No joke about it. Peace out. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Attack full force.